Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hey everyone, my name is McKay Kimball and I'm an admin certified Salesforce consultant here at Solved.cloud. I specialize in helping clients automate their business with Salesforce and AI. Today we're going to be talking about a problem you may have dealt with before. Have you ever tried to create a rollup summary field on an object like account to show the total value of all your opportunities? You get to the field creation screen, but then you realize you can't. Why? Because the relationship between account and opportunity is a lookup, not a master detail. But what if I told you there's a powerful, free, and declarative solution that solves this exact problem? Today we're talking about Declarative Lookup Rollup Summaries, or DLRS. So what is DLRS? The name says it all. First, it's declarative. This means you configure everything with clicks, not code. You don't need to be a developer to get it working, which is great for admins. Second, it works on lookup relationships. This is the whole point of the tool. It lets you perform a rollup on any related records, regardless of whether it's a lookup or a master detail relationship. And finally, it creates rollup summaries. Just like a native rollup, it aggregates data from a set of child records and displays that value on a parent record. This is why DLRS is so valuable. Let's look at a quick comparison between DLRS and our classic rollup summary fields. The biggest difference is the relationship type. Native rollups are limited to master detail, which can be restrictive. DLRS, on the other hand, works on any lookup, giving you a ton of flexibility. DLRS also supports more operations. Beyond just sum and max and count, you can use it to find the first or last value, get an average, or even concatenate text fields. And what about governor limits? Salesforce has a limit of 25 native rollup summary fields per object. DLRS has no set limit, giving you room to grow without hitting a wall. So it sounds great, but what are the pros and cons? On the pro side, it's a game changer for admins. It's completely free and open source, and it offers a level of flexibility that the native tool just can't match. On the con side, it's not an official Salesforce product. Instead, it's community supported. This means you won't get a support ticket from Salesforce if something goes wrong. Also, if you're not careful with your configuration, it can impact your org's performance. Now to answer the question of how it all works. You configure your rollup using a simple point-and-click interface. DLRS then automatically generates and deploys an Apex trigger in your org for you. The trigger simply listens for changes on the child object and updates the parent record accordingly. You have a couple of different options for when that update happens. You can choose real-time mode, which updates the parent record immediately when a child record changes. This is great, but it can be resource intensive. Or you can choose scheduled mode, which runs a job on a set schedule to update records. This is a much more efficient option for large data sets. Shown here is a list of operations that DLRS supports. As I mentioned before, this is one of the reasons that it's so versatile. So what can you actually do with this? Here's a list of common use cases. First, you could create a field to show the sum of all opportunity amounts on an account. Or for a service team, you could create a field on the contact object that shows the count of all open cases related to them. You can even use it for more advanced things like pulling the most recent activity date on a lead, or creating a concatenated list of related products on an order. Honestly, the opportunities are endless when it comes to the use cases for this tool. Before we wrap up, let's talk about how to get DLRS. It's a free open source managed package and is available on both GitHub and the App Exchange. And a crucial piece of advice for any admin, always install and test it in a sandbox first. From a high-level view, this is what DLRS does. It empowers you to create rollup summaries on lookup relationships, expanding your data insights in Salesforce. It's a game changer for admins who need to get more from their data without writing any code. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Salesforce content. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.